Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Zishan Iqbal from Pakistan. So in this video I am going to tell you about how to create your MetaMask wallet for joining Forsage or any other platform. So first of all I will tell you how to create a MetaMask wallet. So first of all we will go to our Play Store. I am opening my Play Store application. Here you will have to type MetaMask. I have already installed it, but there is an update, so I will install this update. Installation has started and I am going to speed up this video and I will tell you after its installation is complete. Okay, MetaMask is installing now and I have to tell you that you can use MetaMask to join Forsage BUSD program. Now I tell you how to create your MetaMask wallet. Tap on Get Started. Now we will click Create New Wallet and proceed with the procedure. Okay, the wallet is created and I have added BUSD and BNB also. But in the MetaMask you have to see that the main network here is shown is Ethereum main network. So we have to change it to BNB Smart Chain network to use it with Forsage BUSD. Okay, so we will change it to BNB Smart Chain. Here we will click on add a network and this is the BNB Smart Chain. We add it, approve, switch to network. So this is our BNB Smart Chain account is now active. 0 BNB we have in our wallet. We can import BUSD token also. Type here BUSD, Binance USD and click on import. And you can deposit BNB or BUSD to this wallet by clicking on BNB and by clicking on receive. This address is your BNB Smart Chain BEP20 BNB address and you can copy this address and send to your upline or any other website to use it. They are saying to make a copy of the phrase of the wallet. You have to secure the phrase on a safe place. Okay. Please, if you like the video, please like, share with your friends and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you.